All right, guys, it's probably 7 attempts, but we now have our final kitchen island. The little outlet center I built is not powered up yet, but I do have the wires running to the basement. You can see how the waterfall edge comes over, some of the grain. This is man-made. This pattern's just put on there, but you see how it kind of almost spills over naturally. Living large here. This is definitely what I would call a luxury kitchen. And now we just need to clean up all our stuff. And oh man, it's nice to actually not have a piece of OSB. But here is the final product right here. Looking pretty decent. It's been a long time waiting. What do you guys think?